a groundbreaking historical event, and we're proud to welcome you guys with open arms. My name is Kedar Abdul Shakur. I've been living over here in Ward 8 for 25 years now. I'm proud to say that my anniversary will be this May, 25 years in Ward 8. Prior to this, I had to go outside of the District of Columbia to find work. I had to travel to Baltimore, deep in Virginia. But now that I am working in D.C., it's been a blessing. So I can say for myself that this project right here has came at a beautiful time in my life. You know what I'm saying? I've been able to provide for my family on a different level in my own community. You know, my mom lost her job last year. I've been able to take over the household. For my mother won't lose her house in Ward 8, the house that I grew up in. So I am proud to say today that I'm sitting here on this grounds that I have been blessed. I also would like to really put out there that the people in the District of Columbia, you know, we're not good with dream sellers. So we hope that we do keep our feet grounded and continue to serve the community. That's right. You know, I like to give special thanks to certain people, Brother PJ Goyle and his family for opening this opportunity for us. We have a number 1 A team here. I'd like to give a special thanks to Mr. Short, Willie Graves, Mr. Michael Johnson, my brother Tracy, my brother Torres for showing us the way. They really teaching us some good things, good skills over here. This is the first time in my life that I've had a professional license. So this opportunity is real grand for me, because any other time I was just a general labor. Now I have an asbestos license. So I am growing. It does mean something to us. I also would like to say that I'm a pretty good judge of character. So prior to our mayor being in office, I see that this sister was focused on service. This sister was focused on a genuine concern for the well-being in the District of Columbia. I saw that before she even got into office. That's why she got my vote, and she will continue to get my vote. You see what I'm saying? So without no further ado, I will give you our mayor, the District of Columbia, Muriel Bowser.
Well, hello, Ward 8. I want to acknowledge all the community members here. Commissioner Mary Cuthbert, Commander Schaefer, Sheila Bunn, Sandy Allen, Charles Wilson, Bernadette Tolson, C.J. Jackson, Brenda Jones, Chris Berry, Kevin Vaughn, Councilmember LaRuby May, and even my good friend over there, Skylar Poindexter. Let's hear it for Skylar. We're coming out. We're talking about jobs. I'm not going to keep you all day because we got some demolition to get started. I want to recognize all of our partners and friends right here from Events DC, who is going to be our partner for this bigger than basketball development. Let's start with the chairman, Max Brown, and Gregory Odell, the director. I also want to recognize our friends at Monumental Sports, Randall Bowe. Give it up for Monumental, and our partners in the government, Chris Weaver from DGS, who is going to be a big part of our project also. I'm excited to announce 2 milestones today for St. Elizabeth's. First, we will begin, and I do know what I'm doing, the demolition of buildings 119 and 124 just in front of us. And we're going to make way for construction for the new entertainment and sports arena for Ward 8. I'm proud to be the mayor that's talking about a $50 million investment here that's going to be jobs and revitalization. Second, we're announcing the issuance of the request for proposals for phase 1 of the infrastructure development for St. Elizabeth's. Hello, infrastructure. Hello. Hello, infrastructure. Hello, $50 million of work right here in Ward 8. Now, some people may say, Bowser, you're not moving fast enough. But $50 million, sports and entertainment complex, jobs, and a transformation is something we should all be proud of. We know that this project is bigger than basketball. We're going to create 600 construction jobs, 300 permanent jobs between this new facility and the phase 1 development at St. Elizabeth's. We're going to hire Ward 8 residents. Together, we will create workforce training programs and internships to expose high-need students to careers in sports, entertainment, and hospitality. We will spur $4.5 million annually in new tax revenues for a total of over $90 million over the life of this 19-year lease. And this arena will be a significant economic development boost because over 380,000 people will visit the complex each and every year, driving private investment dollars to St. Elizabeth's East and spurring retail and affordable housing opportunities right here near our Congress Heights Metro. I want to invite my partners just to join me at the podium and be recognized. Councilmember LaRuby May, give her a big round of applause. Greg Odell from Events DC, give him a big round of applause. With Max Brown, I want to acknowledge our Admiral Weaver, who is the director of DGS, will be a part of this project. Give him a round of applause. Randy Bowe from Events DC, give him a round of applause. And you see all these great, fine, strong men and women behind me. We want to make sure they go to work right here in Ward 8. So before I go to start to demolish this building, let me also say this. It has been a hallmark of our administration to invest in all 8 wards. And we are going to transform this city together. We're going to make sure that a city as prosperous as ours has opportunity for everyone. Now, some may scream and some may shout, but I'll be back. I'm going to invest. I'm going to keep our promises. And it won't just be today. It will be every day. Thank you, Ward 8. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. All right. I love graduations. It is an opportunity to both reset. It's an opportunity to look back at what you've achieved, but also to look forward to what's next. The Deputy Mayor for Greater Economic Opportunity.
I'm talking about Deanwood and Congress Heights, Anacostia, Upper Kennedy Street, and Georgia Avenue. We have a real shot here at making a difference with this role.
So this arena in basketball will cut a path for opportunities at St. Elizabeth that we all will travel as our community moves to the bigger than.
This store will now provide easy, convenient access to fresh food, affordable clothing, and everyday necessities for residents of Ward 4 and residents across the District of Columbia.
With this increase in the minimum wage, there are now more people and more families who are on the pathway to the middle class. The district couldn't be
We now return to our previously scheduled program, already in progress.